As you're working with your course elements, one of the settings that you may have noticed as we've been working our way through this tutorial is in the Details subcategory tab of all your elements, there's a required checkbox. And by default, every element is a required element in your course. And what that simply means is the completion of that element is a required function of the course, meaning that the student is required to complete that element in order for the course to be marked complete. One of the things that you can do is, on a per element basis, is you have the ability to deselect the required function, which means that you make that material, you could consider it maybe bonus material or material that a student does not have to complete in order to finish the course. Now, the reason I've waited till now to cover that is because not only can you enable or disable the required function at the element level, but you can also do so at the course level. You'll notice when you go to your course subcategory tabs, there's a required element subcategory tab that you can click on here. And what this does is it allows you to choose which element types within your course are required elements. And you'll notice that by default, all of those element types are clicked or required by default. So if you wanted to make it such that your web archives were not required, you can simply deselect that, or you can enable it again if you wish. Also, if you wanted to override the entire course settings, you can actually go and do the override course defaults for some or all elements, and this will allow you to select which specific elements from the course level you want to make required or not required.